turkey hunting here in South Dakota. Me and Josh just got done guiding in the Black Hills. It went really well, but we're getting ready to do some hunting for our own here. I'm excited. My trigger finger's getting itchy. This year I have a prairie tag, so that's where we're heading today. We left the house at 2:50, 3 a.m. We're driving, and yeah, looking forward to the sun coming up and getting to do a little hunting. My 410's been getting put to work this year. Me and Josh were in Arkansas and Missouri earlier this year. I started actually in Illinois, been doing some guiding in South Dakota, hunted Colorado with my wife, and now up here in South Dakota. So make sure you check out the Colorado videos, and I actually hunted Nebraska on the way here too, forgot about that. So check out the 2 Colorado videos and the Nebraska video. I'll drop links up here. Yeah, looking forward to hunting the prairie here. Hopefully they're gobbling as good as they have been up in the Black Hills. I'm pretty excited. So let's get to it. Up in this tree and a bunch of hens. We're about 300 yards from them right now. What we're going to do is wait for them to pitch down. Once they're off the roost, we're going to go make a move. Right now, it's really flat between us and them, so there's nothing we can do. We're just going to sit here, wait for them to get down. There's a little rise. Our plan is just to do some white hen calling and then throw the strutter decoy up, and I think they're going to come flying in. Got the 410 with me today, so looking forward to letting that baby bark. And we're in a good spot here on morning 1 in the prairie. Let's go get them.
First prairie hunt, baby.
Talk about in your living room. Oh my goodness. Give me one, Josh. That is what turkey hunting is all about. If you like that stuff, give this video a thumbs up, because it does not get any better than that. We did the right thing. We got up on the roost. We didn't force them. They were moving away from us. We didn't try to force it. We backed out, went all the way around. There was this perfect little hill right here, and we knew they were somewhere down in here. I had the strutter in my hand, and I quick pulled out the little stake on the bottom because I just figured we might need it. I came up over the hill with the fan, and I saw one hen, and I saw the redhead, and as soon as the redhead saw this feather, he started strutting and he started coming. I stuck this sucker in the ground. I said, Josh, he's coming. We backed out right down this little hill. I slid off to the side about 10 yards because I knew he'd come up the hill right into this fan. Josh was backed up behind a little yucca bush. I'm sure he got some great footage. I had the 410 in my hand. I was laying prone, just like this. He came up over the hill at about 10 steps, faced right up in front of that strutter, snood hanging down. He was squaring up with this old boy. Pow! There's feathers everywhere. He is a stud bird. Look at this thing. He is a stud. Look at that. Big old hooks. And look at the beard on this joker. Double beard, dude. Double beard. Oh, a little double beard action. And that main beard, dude. Look at that brush. These are Merriam Rio crosses, most likely, you know, being out here on the prairie. But that is a stud bird. He was all sorts of fired up. Look how white that head is, all white and blue. Prettiest ugly bird in the world right there. Heck yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you click subscribe. We got a lot more hunting to do. Josh has a Black Hills tag we're doing later today. I got a Black Hills tag that we're doing later today and tomorrow. And then we got 3 buddies coming into town, so a lot more hunting left. This one went quick. I'd say it's a shame it went so quick, but when it happens like that, it's no shame. Heck yeah.